Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix not posted yet try again on Instagram Reels. So guys, when you want to upload any reel or any story and you are facing this issue again and again that is not posted yet, try again. I'll help you how to fix this problem. So let's get started without wasting any time. First of all, you have to open your settings on your device. And now first of all you have to check your internet connection. If you have already connected any Wi-Fi, you have to click on that Wi-Fi and forget your network, and guys, after this you need to reconnect it again. And if you're using mobile data, make sure that you have select 4G or 5G network on your device, and guys, now you have to scroll it down. The second option, you have to click on general and you need to click on VPN and device management. So guys, if you have connected any kind of VPN, simply you need to disconnect that VPN. After doing this, you have to go back. And after this you need to reset your network settings. Maybe there is network problem on your device. So guys, when you have reset your network settings, your problem will be fixed. And guys, after doing this you have to go back. Now you have to open your app store on your iPhone, and if you're using Android phone you have to open Play Store in that phone. And here you need to search Instagram, and now you have to click on your Instagram app and update your app. And after doing update, your problem will be fixed. So guys, after doing all these methods, if still not fix your problem, no need to worry. You have to open your settings again, scroll below, click on general and click on iPhone storage. And now from here you have to find Instagram, click on your Instagram, and guys, now you have to offload your app. And after doing offload, you need to reinstall again from here again. And guys, after this your problem will be fixed. So guys, these are the possible ways to fix this problem. So hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe my channel. Thank you.